Hello and welcome to today's video presentation on the network configuration files on Oracle Linux 8. This video aims to provide information on the various network configuration files for Oracle Linux 8 and review these files on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So let us get started. In this exercise, the host system is a fully patched Oracle Linux 8 instance on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This instance also has a secondary VNIC added for use in this demonstration. Additional information on virtual cloud networks and attaching VNICs to an instance is outside this video's scope, but available in our Oracle Cloud content located at oracle.com/go/Linux Cloud Learning. Start by opening a terminal and connect to your host system. Oracle Linux 8 uses network interface cards, NICs, and multiple configuration files to connect a system to the network. You can identify each network interface by a name that combines a prefix and a suffix. The prefix describes the type of network interface used, such as EN for Ethernet, WL for Wireless Local Area Network or LAN, and WW for Wireless Wide Area Network or WAN. The suffix used designates other information about the network interface. Examples include using an index number such as EN0 or PBus number and slot number as in ENP0S8. Use the command ls space -l capital R space /sys space pipe space grep space ENS to display a list of the network interface devices attached to this system. The output shows the system has two devices named ENS3 and ENS5. Those two devices align with the number of VNICs shown on the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Instance Details page under Resources and Attached VNICs. Beyond knowing the network interfaces attached to the system, Oracle Linux 8 system administrators should understand the network configuration files. The first of these files is a /etc/host file, which associates a host name with an IP address for local hostname resolution. View this file by typing cat space /etc/hosts. The file consists of several columns, with the first being the IP address, then the fully qualified name, and then optional aliases. Expected entries for proper operation include the localhost entry and the system's primary IP address and hostname. Although the host file can handle hostname resolution to IP address lookup, system administrators use a domain name service DNS server for this task on more extensive networks. To configure DNS lookup, look at the /etc/resolve.conf and the /etc/nsswitch.conf files. First, view the resolve.conf file by typing cat space /etc/resolve.conf. The resolve.conf file defines how the system uses DNS to resolve hostnames and IP addresses. This file contains a line specifying a list of search domains separated by spaces, and potentially 3 lines that define different DNS servers' IP addresses. Now, view the nsswitch.conf file by typing cat space /etc/nsswitch.conf. The nsswitch.conf file configures how the system uses various databases and name resolution mechanisms. One significant parameter in the file is the host line. This parameter refers to the sources for resolving names and addresses. Per the configuration shown, the name resolution will look up first in the host file, then using DNS per the user resolve.conf, and finally using the glibc getHostName function via the nss-myhostname plugin. The next file to view is the /etc/sysconfig/network file. This file specifies additional information valid to all network interfaces. To view the file, type cat space /etc/sysconfig/network. For this system, the file has a single entry networking equals yes, which indicates networking is enabled globally for all interfaces unless expressly stated otherwise in the interface-specific configuration. Additional information on this file's parameters is available as part of the Linux documentation set at /user/share/doc/initscripts/sysconfig.txt. The last file covered in this video is part of the network interface configuration files in the /etc/sysconfig/network-scripts directory. To get a listing of these files, type ls space -l space /etc ifcfg/sysconfig/network-scripts. The directory listing displays a file, ifcfg-ens3, which is the configuration file for this system's primary network interface card, or NIC. Each physical and virtual network device has an associated configuration file named ifcfg- and the name of the interface. View the configuration by typing cat/etc/network-scripts/ifcfg-ens3. In this configuration, here are some of the parameters and their meaning. Name is the name of the interface listed in the Network Manager GUI. Device is the name of the physical device. On boot determines if the system activates the interface at boot time. UUID is a universally unique identifier for the network interface device. BootProto determines how the interface obtains its IP address. Its values can be DHCP for dynamically assigned addresses or none for static addresses. For more information and details on these files, see the Oracle Linux 8 documentation at the URL displayed on the screen. That completes this explanation of network interfaces and the configuration files that create a network. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy using Oracle Linux 8. Please check our additional information on Oracle Linux 8 in the Oracle Linux 8 documentation or Oracle Linux Learning Library.